Hello, Shalom and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew. And in this lesson of Milat Hayom, word of the day, is the word habit, habits. How do we say this in Hebrew? So habit in Hebrew is hergel, hergel, masculine singular, hergel, hergel, and plural, hergelim. הרגלים, הרגלים, הרגלים. habit, הרגל, habits, הרגלים. If you forgot the verb to have, yesh, I will put the link to my lesson of this issue, yesh, in the description box below. But until then, if you want to say about yourself, I have good and bad habits, right? So I have is yesh li. It's like have to me, but in Hebrew, yesh li. Hergelim, habits, and the adjective after the noun, right? Tovim is good, plural, because hergelim, we said, plural masculine. Tovim, and ורעים, bad. יש לי הרגלים טובים ורעים. יש לי הרגלים טובים ורעים. You will find links to selected lessons in the description box below. Alphabet, Niqqud, derived stems, יש לי, and more. And until then, להתראות בקרוב. See you soon.